Alright, people. What's going on? Welcome back. I just took some longs here on gold. I'm up 230. I'm going to close that there full. I just got long there on gold. I'll explain that to you guys as well. Quicker than I expected. Let me just get up Discord. I'm just updating Discord with the position. Alright. Let me get Zoom set up. Let's get Zoom set up here. I got about 23 on that one. Maybe just make sure you guys can hear me all good. I got 22. I got 22 ticks on that one. Took this long too. Yeah, nice. Yeah, amazing, man. I don't usually take a trade now, but I just saw the 15 grab previous 15 lows close bullish here. So I literally just took a buy on the bottom wick. Like you grabbed the previous 15 lows, you re-broke the highs, you got a very nice strong close. As this was creating the bottom wick, I literally just took the buys and just closed. It was very simple. Very simple little trade. Everyone in Discord managed to catch it as well, which is amazing. Everyone in Discord's up today. Up very well. Very, very well, which is good. We'll get started properly here in a second, guys. I just didn't expect to take this so quick, so we'll do some proper analysis here in a second. I just closed full 22. There's about 3 confluences. Took that off the 15. Took some buys on gold in like a little pre-London. What's the date today? 15th. 4.24. Cool. Alright, and you got gold pushing up here. Look at this. Pushing up like over 30 now. Look at that. Beautiful. A lot of the guys in Discord just took the break of the 15-minute highs there. Up like 20 ticks. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. Let me get a zoom set up here. 11 out of 4. 11th for the 4th stream. Heaps of value. Awesome, man. Awesome. Amazing to hear. Good morning, everyone. Took the buy too as well. Nice, 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 nice. Yeah, it's beautiful, man. Even just, I took the bottom wick entry on the 15, but to be honest, you could have just taken the break of the 15 high and you would have just had an amazing trade as well. We'll fully break that down here in a second, guys. Don't worry, we're still going to be looking for plenty of London positions. That's just little pre-London scalp. I'm going to get the Discord guys in. I can't see because my mic's in the way. Awesome. We'll get everyone in here. But yeah, welcome back, guys. Hope everyone had an awesome weekend. Hope you guys enjoyed some time off the charts. Do you wait for a minimum risk to reward ratio to close your trade? Nah, risk to reward. I don't care about risk to reward. I just take the trade. Once it hits my area, close the trade. Risk to reward has nothing to do with where you take profit. That shouldn't even be a question. Risk to reward makes no difference. Don't focus on risk reward to take profit, man. The charts don't care about your risk reward, so why would you worry about it too much? Obviously, to get into a trade, your risk reward has to make sense. But to take profit on a trade, nah, risk reward has zero value to me. Zero value. What's up, Chino? What's going on, man? Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Look at that gold pushing. Pushing. Just shouldn't be doing good. Nah, you're a good man. Not late at all. Haven't even started yet, man. Haven't even started yet. Oh, look at this gold. I should have trailed a little bit more. I closed full. I should have trailed. I closed full 20 ticks. Let me just move. Oh, shit. Let me get a phone charger. 2 seconds, guys. 2 seconds. Oh, man, look at gold. Man, I should have trailed. Why did I close full? bit emotional there, I think. What a push. Let me get everyone in here in Discord as well. Why is this not charging? Alright, cool. Alright, welcome back, Zoom guys. Welcome back, everyone. Just letting everyone in here. Let me turn you guys up. Let me just make sure you guys can hear me. I don't know if I can hear you guys. I think I can. I think so.
We can hear you anyway.
Cool. Thank you, man.
Hello? Yes, I can hear you.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Let me share this over here. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Go with the volume. I think I've ever taken a trade at this time before. Let me make sure everyone's in.
Have you just taken? Were you just in that?
Yeah, I just closed that, man. I just closed that 23.
Oh, nice.
I took it at 33 ticks as well. You genuine,
Nice.
yeah?
I actually took 22, so you beat me by one.
No.
I don't know why I
22
didn't.
tick
I don't know why I
and
didn't trail.
sorry, one.
I closed full because it was pushing nicely, but I should have just trailed. I don't know why I did. I don't know why I closed full, to be honest, but
Yeah, I trailed
got it too. Nice.
in the middle, yeah.
Nice.
Then it just came down, took me out, and then just ripped again.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, nice push. Yeah, I got it too.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Closed second contract 28. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Yeah, it's a lovely push. Like I said, I never really take a trade at that time, but I literally just saw 15 grab the lows, closed bullish, instant bottom wick. I just happened to be here, so literally as it's created a bottom wick, literally just pressed buy and it just pushed up.
Yeah.
Had no top wick. It's pretty simple. Didn't really take too much thought process.
No, you were a better entry than me, though. I went to break of the 5.
Nice, yeah. I took a bottom wick, risky entry, stop losses down here. But yeah, even a break of the 15 high, where you've hit highs of like fucking almost 50.
Yeah, I did the same with the first trade this morning. I
Nice.
just pressed buy.
Yeah, it's pretty simple. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
just
nice.
like stop losses down there, offs,
Yeah.
and then hopefully he was closing up there. But yeah,
Nice, man. I like that. Yeah, it's nice area. You got some very decent volume so far today. Asia's had amazing volume. Pre-London's already having some decent volume here. Are your streams free? No, you paid to be on here, man. You charged by the minute.
I think there's a possible
Sound is terrible.
song again from the next hour.
Yeah. Where did you get it from, man?
No, I'm wondering.
Oh, to continue? Yeah. Yep. Yep, I think so, man. I think so. What time is it? Almost 2 minutes this hour to close. Yeah, I just fixed the audio. Apologies, it was still coming out the computer as well. I just fixed that. Let me make sure it's fixed here as well. And here. Yeah, cool. Yeah, pushing beautifully. My entry on the futures was at 72.4. I could have easily just trailed every 5-minute low here. I don't know why I closed full, but 22 ticks to start the day on the Express fund account's pretty good. Pretty good. Just by a minute, I'm out. See you, man. Morning, lads. Morning, Ross. Morning, man. Make sure everyone's here. We'll get started in a second. Start with the analysis here on gold. Look at that pushing. That's a beautiful push. Still in. TP at 2364. Yeah, nice. Yep. Makes sense to me, man. Definitely makes sense. Got so many highs to come and grab it. You're just creeping down. Look at that 30. 30 huge liquidity grab. Retest again. Take the break of the 30 high. Man, you got like 50 ticks right there. It's such a simple trade. We're hit. Good man. What's up? Traded funded accounts. Yeah, I traded. This here was on a funded account, man. This one here. This trade we just took. Express funded account here on Top Step. All right, what time is it? 1 minute. Cool.
Recording in progress.
Let me just have a quick look at the news here for today. See what we got going on for this week. Just have a quick refresh. Coming into 7 a.m. London time. I think everyone's pretty much here. So, this week for the US dollar, we got red folder news today. We got core retail sales. Tomorrow we have the Fed speaking, not until 6 p.m. London time, so I don't really care about that. Nothing on Wednesday. On Thursday, unemployment claims, and then nothing on Friday. So, pretty busy early start to the week here, actually. We may have some buys here on the flip of this hourly on gold again. Same as 35, 40 ticks into highs. We may have some more buys here on gold in a second. Yeah, Monday, we got some news today, not until 1:30. Tomorrow, a little bit. The Fed speaking, not till 6 p.m. And other than that, we're pretty good. We're pretty good this week. So let's take a look at the charts. Obviously, on Friday, you had a pretty nice dip on gold to close the end of the week. You had a very nice push down, actually. I'm just going to set an alert here. I don't want to miss this whilst we're breaking it down in case this starts to reject. I'm going to see if we can have a buy on... Actually, I'm not... I'll do the whole top-down analysis in a second because we may have some more buys here on gold. We may have some more buys. Let me get rid of this. We just took these buys. Let's make some money. It's going to mark. Welcome back, man. All right, let me drop down to 15 here. So if we take the... That's what's going on. That's what's going on. Scotty, welcome back, man. So if we take the break at these highs here, stop loss will be somewhere down here. And ideally, I actually want to see these highs grabbed because this is also like a double top. Here. In this stops below 30 low. Yeah, nice, yeah. Hey AJ, what's going on, man? Yeah, 5-minute flip as well. Yeah, definitely, man. Yeah. Definitely. I took this little buy here in this 15, but it's looking like you're gonna continue. You got some decent volume, just you've closed above this little level here. 30's closed bullish, hourly's just closed bullish. This is an instant hourly bottom wick. So if we can see this hourly drive up, you should have a nice continuation here on gold. You got 5-minute tapping into that VWAP as we speak. Hey guys, hey, welcome back. I'm not in this just yet, guys. Nothing in just yet. But on the futures, we'll be looking at around 77.3. 77.3 for a potential buy stop. I had 42 pips in Asia, and I just had 22 pips here pre-London. Nah, I don't marry. No, I don't. Not yet, man. Not yet. I just want to see this 5-minute close. I wish I could put it in half risk. I've already taken plenty of trades there. I'm not looking to take another one, but I'm drawing it up for you guys. Yeah, just watch this 5. See how this 5 is like. The 5's a pretty decent area, to be honest. Not even a bad area, just to market execute some longs. As long as you hold above this level, you're pretty good. Ideally today though on gold, which I'll do kind of top down analysis in a second. Ideally today, remember on gold we have no bottom wick. That's why I have this alert set down here, which I'll get rid of now. That was in case I had some runners in Asia. We have no bottom wick on this daily, which can easily be formed at any point. So that's the kind of main thing I'm looking for here. In London to kind of intraday up into these regions, then anywhere from around here, I'm looking for gold to come back down here today. There's no bottom wick. That means there's no bottom wick on the daily and weekly. Take a look at this weekly here on gold. Instant top wick. No bottom wick here at all. So same as the daily. Kind of got like what 1, 2, 3 equal lows down here as well. At a very nice, decent level of daily resistance. So if you close back below, could we go short? Sorry, man. I got you. Yeah, so I'm just saying weekly, no bottom wick yet. Instant push up, market open. Daily, instant top wick. But if I'm going to take some sells down into a daily bottom wick here today on gold, you got to grab these highs. You got to push up into here, grab these highs, and then push down. Oh, you got to have 5 minute close. 1 more minute till 5 can close. 5 minutes I'm going to flip just yet. Yeah, you can put it in there if you want to. It's not a bad place to put it. Let me see. 15 rejecting very nicely off that level. 5 just rejected. May grab the 5 minute lows again. Got some nice little moves. Asia was great, man. Asia was amazing today. I took this sell here. You had a little double top. You wicked out double top, broke down. And you had some equal lows there. I just took this 1 5 minute. That 1 5 minute was 60 ticks. It's fucking crazy. I took about 42 of it. Bottom wick on my daily. Yeah, I do on my broker. But I don't hear on Oanda, and this is what I typically do go off. Was it on this chart? Is it Asia sells today? Yeah, these are Asia sells I took here. Close fill at around like 42 or something. Around there. Pretty nice trade. Pretty easy trade again. Very simple. Grabbing the lows here on gold. Grabbing previous 5 lows. No top wick on any of the 2 previous 5s. What have I just done? Trying to do top down analysis, but I don't want this to just flip. Let's see. 5 minute close below here, you won't have any longs. Five minutes still hovering around that VWAP at the minute. I didn't get the Asia sales on the top snip account, unfortunately. I had it on the go today. I got it on personal, so I don't really care. 5 minutes still pushing. Yeah, we'll wait there. Let's just set an alert. I think we've got time here. I'll watch the 5 minute chart on the futures. Let's have a look here on gold. Let's do a little bit of top down for the week. See what we got going on. Look how strong that 2,400 level here was on gold. Look at that. Failed to close above that 2,000. Huge big stop hunt wick. Ripped all the highs. I think some fundamentals came down and broke all of this support. That jawline whole support. So we got a pretty doji close last week, which is the first sign of a slowdown since all the way back down here in March when we had this insane run up. And there's no current bottom wick on this weekly. So it wouldn't surprise me this week on gold if you can see shorts down into these weekly lows before then potentially just continuing to push up higher. So from where you're currently at, shorting down into there is a potential 500 plus tick move. So very, very interesting week on gold. Very, very interesting close on Friday as well. You had this resistance around here. If I just draw it up. So you had some, where are we? Had some resistance here on gold on, what is this? Tuesday, Wednesday, resistance broke above, broke straight back below. Currently retesting that daily resistance. So anywhere from here, you could see gold start to flip bearish on this daily. And, maybe even come and liquidate Friday's low would still be an absolutely amazing trade. You measure that from where you're at right now. To come down and grab these lows, you're talking 240 ticks. So that's absolutely amazing. So there's a lot of very, very nice areas on gold this week. The fact that, I saw Friday close like this. I was actually trying to take longs on Friday on gold for this push up before it then ripped back down. But you got a very, very nice daily closure there. So, at least a push back down into previous day lows makes sense to me. Take a look at the 4 hourly here on gold. Also very nice resistance. I think you'll see it pull back up a little bit more though by looking at this. You may come up and grab our intraday areas up here before. So you may see top wick into these areas, and then anywhere from down here you could easily pull back down to here. And then who knows, could you then just continue the overall bullish push on gold? Very, very possible. So I'll be watching this 4 hour high and these previous daily lows as potential regions on gold here. This 5 minute on gold is going to close in about 20 seconds. Still just closing bearish. I do not think short. That's fine. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at here. Nice head and shoulders area as well. Broken back above this level though, so I think you will squeeze up a little bit higher. Now let's have a look at the intraday levels here on gold. This is what I've been watching in Asia today. This level of resistance here on gold has been holding very, very well. Very nice previous strong level in the past. Daily resistance. Daily resistance broke above support. Broken resistance. But you know, if you're gonna reject this level, it's unlikely that you're gonna just, you know, reject this and just drop. We haven't really pre-grabbed any highs. I think even if gold's gonna have to drop back down into all of this support, you'd expect it to have a pretty decent stop hunt up before then pushing back down. Because I would imagine anyone who's probably short in gold, even here right now, they'll probably look to take some shorts, put their stop loss just above this high here, looking for this big play down. So you very well could take advantage of buying back up into where most people are probably trying to sell. So decent opportunities on both sides of the markets on gold this week. Very, very nice opportunities. You know, buying up into this stop hunt wick on the break of this hourly high is also going to give you 100 ticks. Once you maybe close back below these areas, seeing the shorts down, it's going to give you like 300 or something. So it's very, very nice opportunities. Stream's lagging, really? Let me see. Let me turn this Wi-Fi off here. Looks like it flips. And yeah, if you want to take the break of the high, you can take it. It's definitely there. You can absolutely take it. Let me switch this Wi-Fi. It might disconnect just for 2 seconds. Alright, we should be back on. Let's see, are we back on? I think so. I think we're back. Audio's fine, just the picture. Yeah, I don't know why. I just switched it, so it should be better now. I'm muted here on Zoom. There you go, cool. Let me just reflip it. There you go, gold's flipping. So if you're in this on gold, risk off this low here. You should be pretty good. I'm gonna send in this. I'll send in this 5 minute chart here on the futures here on gold. You guys on Zoom can look at how incredible that bounce of VWAP is again. Something I've been watching recently. It's literally been playing out insanely well. Longing off that VWAP, you're already up 27 ticks. Look at that, it's crazy. That is crazy. Yeah, 27 ticks, that's ridiculous. Got it on the 1 minute, nice. Not an order block in sight. Still in this, nice. Nice. I'm not in, I didn't take anything. It's a very nice area. You can bridge risk of previous 5 low, to be honest. On the futures at like 73.6, you don't need any more than that. But I'm not in this, I'm up like 60 ticks there. I'm not going to take anything else. I'll just be drawing it up for you guys. Unless it's a, you know, insane position, then I'll consider it, but I don't think so. Hold on until 5,000? Yeah, easy, man. You get that today, I reckon. Gold buys into 5,000. You heard it here first. That 5 minutes bouncing beautifully. Not if
I'm in 3 positions on first look.
Ooh. Nice. Nice. That 15 just closed. 15 just closed. Respect and support. Very nice. Yeah, start hedging, yeah. Start hedging.
Yeah, it'd be nice to have a nice winner. I just don't think gold has finished yet.
Nah, probably not. I reckon I wouldn't hold it too long. I would take it up to like these levels, maybe. I'd be very surprised to see this daily not create a bottom wick.
Yeah.
I mean, it depends when you're in from. If you're in from like down here, even taking it up to there, still that's like 100 pip. That's amazing. Amazing.
I was speaking to Ross last night, and I think he had the nail on the head. Really. He was on about people going into gold with the walls because it's solid, it's good investment and good returns, and it's just until everything calms down in the world, I can't see gold coming down.
Yeah.
Safe haven, yeah.
Safe haven. Yeah, safe. Kind of been reacting to war news since back like here in October.
Yeah.
Should have put money of get it in percentage coin, man. 5 minute chopping a bit, 5 minute back down. Orders not filling. Stop loss was rejected. I'm not too sure, man. I haven't had that. Let me see if I can fire it, my man. Let me have a look. Let's log in. But the thing is, though, if you take like big swings like that on gold, you pretty much got to leave stop loss open for like quite some time. Like, you can be buying from like here, stop loss like down here, and just leave it open for you're gonna go 50 pips, draw down, 100 pips, draw down probably. Like, it can take some time. I'll have a look on Tradeovate, see if I can dive a old top step I can trade. Nah, I'll try it on personal here. Maybe have a look. Roll forward. What's this? I'm on top step here. Let me go on to personal. Are all my contracts? Oh, there you go. Yeah, cool. There you go, man. There you go. 15, trying to come back down here on gold. As long as you hold above here, you're pretty good. Let's play this little range here and here. Which sometimes can be weird. Yeah, I don't like to do it through TradingView personally. I like to do it separate. You can get a little bit of lag. I mean, it's not much. It's not really going to make any difference. But yeah, I don't like to log in and do it through here. I just prefer to do it separate on a separate screen. Direct through the platform. It's this 30 on gold. How's the 4 hour looking on gold, actually? Have a look at this 4 hour. Yeah, not really grabbed any highs, but you still are around major resistance. You also haven't grabbed any lows. So if you haven't grabbed any highs here, you also haven't grabbed any lows. So you can't just be glued to it, coming to grab some highs when you haven't done exactly the same to the lows. But you do have some decent highs. You've got kind of got both decent highs and decent lows. You grab some lows. Buying up into these levels is nice. This is the weekly open, which we're going to be looking for that bottom wick to be created. How's the 5 minute looking? Yeah, 5 minutes still support. 5 minute just closed bearish. 5 minute did just close a bit bearish there on Goldie. Commission on Tradeovate. Just Google it, man. You can Google commissions on Tradeovate, man. It'll tell you. I don't work for Tradeovate, man. Just Google Tradeovate commissions. It'll tell you. It's probably about $3 to $5. Depends on which package you're on. Every subscription has different commissions. You can have lifetime subscriptions. You can have normal subscriptions. Yeah, honestly, market's crazy. Yeah. It doesn't matter if you go break even. No, it's the exact same. Yeah, just exiting the trade. On for me, it's like, you know, somewhere between $1 to $2 maybe. On Ninja, I have lifetime. Hello everyone. Hey John, what's going on, man? Welcome back. Welcome back, man. I kind of rushed over that weekly analysis. I thought we were gonna get some more movement here. But yeah, these are the kind of two areas I'm watching this week. This area here does massively interest me to hold and see this push back down. But you know, I think if we're gonna see that push down, I think it would only be right if we drew it on. I think if we're gonna see that push down, you know, you'd expect a nice juicy wick up into there. Grab some highs. Starts at -2 ticks. Does it happen? Nah, it shouldn't. I would assume it's probably just the lag, man. I reckon it's probably the trading view lag, but it shouldn't be too much. Minus 2 ticks. That's quite a lot. That sounds like quite a lot, man. That sounds like quite a lot. Yeah. It's usually like a couple of milliseconds maybe. Sometimes it can be worse. You know, I have had it before, quite a while ago, and orders weren't going through properly. I had to screen record it and send it to them. So now I just don't bother personally. But yeah, if you keep getting -2, yeah, that's quite a lot. I would try doing it just on TraderBait. The TraderBait platform is pretty easy to get used to as well, man. It'll be different at first, but you'll pick it up pretty quick. Asia Open had some good. Asia had some amazing volume, man. I got some Asia sells. Asia had some amazing volume. So is pre-London here, though. To be fair, pre-London's had some decent volume here. Where's our main chart gone? Here. I mean, yeah, like straight at market open, yeah, boom, huge push. Probably off the back of that war news over the weekend. Yeah. I don't think so. What's up? Hope you're doing well. What's up, man? I'm good, thank you. I'm good. It's Monday, man. It's Monday. We're back in business. Can't complain, man. Do you journal? Yeah, absolutely, man. A journal, yeah. This is April. I don't know why it's like half cut off there, but this is April so far. 10 cons, 1 trade, 30 takes Apex Fundy. Absolutely. Yeah, I got you, Scotty. I got you, man. You've seen this lovely push up here on gold. You kind of just pull them back a little bit. I would like to see this continue. I've been thinking about trying an Apex Fundy soon as well. Give it a crack. I just don't. I'm gonna try at some point. Yeah, give it a go. See what it's like. I haven't yet though. I have too much going on at the minute. Too many fucking accounts going at the minute. But I'll try at some point. Yeah.
Some people have got about 40 accounts with them. So.
Yeah, I know, it's crazy.
Holy cow.
Yeah, it's crazy. So I think you can get like 20 or something ridiculous, which I think is too many, but trailing drawdown sucks. Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, that's the reason I'm with Top Step, because the trailing drawdown rule on Apex I think is so stupid. But I would like to give it a try at some point, and if I ran issues with it, I'd probably never do it again.
Yeah.
Like 50 accounts, yeah, it's insane. Yeah. The drawdown rule, like intraday in a trade, to me just doesn't make any sense. But I think you can get static counts or something. I'm not sure. I haven't tried it yet, but yeah, I don't think they give anything too crazy just yet. In and out. Thank you. Takes one. Yeah, easy into. Yeah, 100%, Mario. Yeah, I can imagine that, man. Yeah, value game for them. Yeah, always some crazy discount. I think that's why most people go to Apex, is because you can have so many accounts for so cheap. But the amount of money how many people who pay for, like, 10 accounts and then just blow them all will be crazy. I don't think having 20 is like a goal that people should necessarily be aiming for. Unless you've already maxed out like 450 or top step, what's the point? This 30 might fake out here on gold. Look at this 30. It's going to be interesting to see if this 30 closes back below here. It's a pretty strong level in the past. Last time he closed above it, straight back below. Big resistance. Smashed it there. Resistance. Broke above, retested, broke below, retested, pushed lower. So if you close below, could you sell gold? Maybe. I don't really have any downside levels there. You kind of wicked out these lows here, held the support and pushed higher. Wouldn't surprise me if you, in the next like 3 minutes, you do hold above this and you can see it push higher. Besides Ninja for me, Ninja Trader for me, probably the best ones. Let me have a look, Carl. Let me have a look. 15. Oh, he did. Yeah, that's a good trade, man. I like that. I like that trade, man. I think that was good. You had decent volume. You liquidate the lows. You had clear targets. I think that's a good trade, man. Win or lose, that's a good trade. If I wasn't in, so I've taken like 2 winning trades, I'll be in the exact same, man. And I would have had stops below previous 5 lows. I think that's a great trade. And you may actually be able to give it a second chance after. So definitely be open to giving that trade a second chance, man. I like that trade. How to add on a screen? I don't know if you can. Here? No, that's adding components. I don't know if you can add another screen. Oh, there you go. Whoa. Oh, no, what have I done? Oh, what have I done? Whoa. What have I done? How do you get... Have I just, like, broken it all? Maybe you can't. I can't even get a screen up now. What have I done? You've maybe broken it. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go. Oh, I've just completely ruined it. Nah, I don't know if you can. Oh, there you go. Plus on top left, drag chart in the screen, so you can just open multiple ones. Very sorry, that's all good, man. Now where have I've lost everything? Where's my trades gone? Where's everything gone? You've broken my charts. Let me try. Let me try and fix this. Nope. Oh, there you go. So 4 hours. Yeah, I don't know. I got mine back though. Oh, I've lost a bit on the side. Positions, orders, and then you go like this. Ah, there we go. Four months to awake and sleep. Yeah, I bet that's tough, man. I bet that's very tough. What's this quote? No, I want to see my trades. Where's my trades? Here, cool. So 30 just closed bearish here on gold. 30 has just closed bearish. Would I take any sells? Nah, I don't take any sells personally. The only reason I'm not going to take any sells on gold, I don't have any liquidity targets now. And you got support right there. I ideally would like to take fake out buys above and still play this up higher on gold. Or maybe I'll take sells if we get below here. Then I'll take sells into the daily open and maybe these levels. You're going to have a trend line coming up like this as well. Maybe if that hourly fakes out. You know, if the hourly closes back below here, fake out and take it lower potentially. 88, yeah. I think people still loading up longs. Short one contract, 75.4. Oh, nice, yeah, nice. 75.4, yeah, nice. What makes you close your trade the way you do? Just go back and profit 200 break even. Well, for me, when I'm intraday trading and scalping, like if I hit 20 ticks, like I'm already taking some partials out and trailing. But I mean, if you caught this move up, and you got stopped at break even here, this to come back down here, just gold being gold and just ranging, I wouldn't worry too much about that. You know, that's just a one-off trade. You got to look at it over the course of 100 trades. But for me, it's like, as soon as we tap into like a next level of support or resistance, that's a barrier. So you got resistance right here on gold. So as soon as you tap into this resistance, this could easily pull back before just completely pushing higher. And if you're in an intraday trade, well, you have to react to this resistance. And if you're up 20 plus ticks and you get into a 30 level of resistance, definitely be taking partials. Like for me, I look at support and resistance levels like this, just very basic, just a support, this is resistance, very, very, very basic stuff. I look at this as if I'm in buys, these levels are barriers of where my trade could go against me. If you closed above here, amazing, you keep holding. But you clearly found some sort of resistance from here and rejected. You just want to be closing it off there. So yeah, I look at, if I was in shorts, this would be my barrier of where I would have to take profit. Because even if we're going to break it, and even if we're going to break this resistance, some sort of initial reaction from here is bound to happen. So if you don't take anything off here, you can't go break even, because you could easily pull back before potentially pushing higher. You'd have to either take some partials, get ready to re-enter, or just leave the trade open. That's the way that I look at it. I look at these levels, like I say, as just barriers of where my trade could go against me. I'm always thinking about, the next trade. And the same as if, I was in these longs. As soon as you come into here, I'm thinking, well, this is a place where people are going to be selling. That's probably the next trade. So take off your partials, secure some, go break even, and, even take some sells there if you get the opportunity. Not that I think that was, but it's what you got to be open to happening. Yeah, Audi's still looking nice. Yeah, definitely, man. Definitely. Audi's still looking nice, yeah. If this Audi does now start to flip, I will also take this. I'll take the flip of the body. Here. If we can see this Audi in the next 25 minutes start to go bullish, I will also take buys. Probably just on the flip of the candle, not the break of the high, because it's almost, right next to each other. Secured $400 today. Time to fight off FOMO and get the charts. Amazing, man. Amazing. Good work. $400 is awesome, man. Good job. And do that, yeah. Close the laptop and go about your day, man. $400, amazing. Good work. Good work, man. Good work. Very good analysis. Loved it. Thank you. Thank you. My plan is literally just understanding liquidity and just like support and resistance levels. Honestly, it's I say it's super simple. You have to understand liquidity. That's the main foundations. And once you got that, that's the easy part. Then you're just waiting for the breakouts. Like the trade I took here pre-London, took these buys. This literally took like 2 seconds of analysis. You liquidate previous 15 lows, closed back above the previous high, and just took this move up here. I literally honestly took like 2 seconds of thought process. Took the buys in the bottom wick, had no top wick, buying into at least the top wick, break even as creating it. You could have even pulled out like 40 there. I should have trailed, but I took 22 and that was good enough for me. That was that one there. That one there. Lows taken. Yeah, it's closed back below here though, so I'd be careful of this. It goes back. I won't take any buys till it closes back above here. You've broken below, retesting, pushing lower. kind of a bit crazy. Yeah, I just grab the lows. Yeah, I like to see it. If it closes back above here, I'll definitely go long. I'll be careful in here. Very careful. Same as if you got the longs from like here. Once it closes back below, retest. You can probably cut it there at like -7, -10. Because if you took the flip of the hourly, your stop loss is down here. But as soon as it closes back below here, retest, that's your exit. Breaks back above, give the trade a second chance. But don't hope. No hope. No hope in our game. I saw some altcoins have some pretty decent pullbacks yesterday. I don't know how it closed on the weekly. It'd be interesting to have a look at that. I'm gonna wait for gold to close back bullish on the 15. So let's look at some other stuff here. I'm not gonna look at Bitcoin. Actually, let's have a quick look at Bitcoin. Let me just see how it closed. I'm not sure what that one is. I want to check the weekly close on some of these. Weekly on Bitcoin closed respecting 65,000. Very strong. I think you'll see it dip back down to 60. It's a very strong support level though. How did these all close on the weekly? Yeah, nice and bearish. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Decent downside to come on crypto, I think. Yeah, very nice closes. Yeah, look at that. You got some beautiful closes on altcoins. Gold, are you trying to push up here in the 5 minute? Not ready yet, just sit there. Nasdaq, if you're down, yeah, absolutely, man, absolutely. XRP is the main one I'm watching. Still holding above 50. I got an alert set down at 40 for XRP to retap back into, and then 30. Respected 70. Very, very well. So having this. Oh, really? Nice. What is Solana doing? Solana's still holding up strong. Still trading above 150. Yeah, some decent areas coming on crypto. Let's have a look at Nasdaq closing the weekly. Let's just zoom in a little bit here. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Oh, you got no bottom wick on Nasdaq so far this week. Instant open, top wicking. This could flip bearish at any point and come and create a bottom wick. Be wary of that. Come back down into this support. Nice to see it actually finding some resistance and trying to break out. You know, you do have a very strong level here though that has been held really well. But I think even if Nasdaq was gonna push up, as long as it hasn't done it on the S&P, you would expect it to wick out the lows and then potentially push up. And for price to come and grab the lows could just be your trade as well. You could short into the bottom wick. And once it grabs the lows, that could just be your trade. Let's have a look at the daily here on Nasdaq. Still aggressively choppy, but you're gonna have your kind of got support there. You've got resistance here. It's kind of pretty messy. Do you have a bottom wick? You got a very, very little one actually. You got a very little bottom wick. I think it'll probably create more than that. It's so hard to say in this range. Honestly, I feel sorry for Nasdaq traders at the minute. Unless you're taking quick scalps overall. Man, it's tough. Very, very tough. Probably adjust the support down to there. It's kind of the range you're working with. You're in the middle of it right now, so I wouldn't look for too much here. I would look for some sells if maybe you come back up into these regions. It'd be a nice area to watch. See if you sell off from there and pull back down to this support. Yeah, sideways. Yeah, very sideways. Yeah, it's... Like I say, I don't trade Nasdaq, but God, I feel sorry for people who do. It's fucking difficult right now. Like, look, imagine getting chopped up in this. Crazy. Even this broke below, straight back above. Correct. We got the highs down, range up, down. It's pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. That was gold up to here. Is this hourly gonna fake out on gold? Can you take any sells yet? You closed below VWAP retesting. That's not enough for me though. Insightful as always. Thanks, Aaron. Have a good day. See you, Alan. Enjoy, man. See you next time, man. Thanks for tuning in. If any of you guys on Zoom want to send over any charts or anything like that, feel free to send them over. We can pop them up. Have a little look. Or anything anyone else is watching. Have a quick look at oil. Oil futures. Oh, look at that. Lovely stop hunt of that trend line there on gold. Sorry, on oil. That's beautiful. The DAX, yeah, sure, man. The amount of people who would have shorted third touch of trend line, stop loss just goes above. Looking for this big play down. It's the reason you do not trade trend lines, especially not on oil, especially not on gold. Massive stop hunt. Broke back below the trend line. Retested, confirmed as resistance. And now pushing back down. That's a lovely stop hunt on oil as well. You also re-grabbed the previous 4-hour highs before this push down. So you rejected once, re-grabbed the highs, closed aggressively bearish and continued selling off. Very nice. Very, very nice. Weekly, grab the lows. Still holding above 85. I think you're going to see oil. You're going to see oil pull back to like 80 soon. I think oil is going to go much lower. Come back and test this trend line as well. And then do the same thing to the highs as you will to the lows down here on the trend line. Go and grab some of that. That's lovely though. I don't trade oil much anymore, but that's very nice. Very, very nice. What was it? DE40? Is that what it is? Yeah. Let's have a look, man. Let's have a look. Cattle. I thought you'd never ask. Well, absolutely have a look at cattle. We've got to check on our cattle holdings. So on the weekly, bearish. How did this month look? You're halfway through the month. Yeah, monthly decent support. The weekly is currently bearish. Daily grab the highs also closed bearish. If you could see today start to flip bearish, you could have some downside. It's a pretty decent resistance right now. Yeah, it's a very nice resistance level. Wouldn't be surprised to see it, you know, even if you're going to break this level from these regions to start to pull back a little bit. I think DAX at a pretty decent short level here. You know, even to pull back down to these regions down here, it'd probably give you a pretty decent trade. Or at least, I don't really know exactly how it moves, but if this was gold, you'd expect a stop hunt of some of these highs. So if this was our trend line, we'll take it onto the most recent touch, and that'd become our liquidity level. Gold's pushing. Yeah, gold's pushing down. Yeah, it's pushing down nicely. Yeah, I don't see any short opportunities, but yeah. It's broke back below, retest that level, still pushing down. I'm just going to see. I just wait for this 2 minutes for this 15 close. See if we break below this level and we can have some shorts. Cattle. Yeah, how could I forget? I had to think for a second. Let's have a look at our cattle futures here. Oh, cattle futures not looking too good. It's not looking too good. Let's think of reasons of... Oh. Now, I'm not here to give financial advice, but that's a pretty nice rejection there on cattle. Now, I'm not saying cattle to the moon, but, you know, it could go close. Yeah, cattle to the moon. Actually, I'm calling cattle to the moon. Cattle, how much from here when we go to the moon? Where's the moon? I think moon's up here. About, yeah, 6% return. 5-minute rejecting on gold. Either break below here or break back above here. Break below here, I'll go short on gold. Break back above here, and I would prefer to go long. Moon, yeah, to the moon. I see what you did there. I just got it. Cattle to the moon. Very clever. Everyone's brought the funny jokes on this Monday morning, haven't they? How long you got? I was about to say a 5 minute was looking like it was about to close strong there. It's not a bad 15 close though. Remember, your buys are off the hourly. I personally will be waiting for it to get back above here. You wouldn't want to see these lows broken now. You want to see, if you're in longs, you want to see these lows held. It'd be very unlikely that you'd grab them lows and to close back bullish. You grab them lows, you're probably going to keep pushing down. Let's have a look at this hourly. Yeah, it's pretty ugly. It's just strange though, because you got a beautiful stop hunt of the lows. Closed back above this range. If it closes back below you, I'll be very surprised. I mean, it did here, to be fair. Wouldn't be that crazy, but it did here as well. Every time you've closed above it, you've gone straight back below, apart from here. All you can do is react. React to the buys, worry about the fake outs after. But anywhere in this area is very messy. Very messy. Show you, yeah, absolutely. So I'll show you what it looks like if and when this flips bullish. Because it's going to look really nice, actually. Let me make sure it's blue. Yep. Is that nice blue? Yeah. So when this does, we're going to go like this. Probably just come above here, actually. Like this. And the next candle, we won't give any bottom wick. We'll just here. And then, wait, that's supposed to be a bearish candle. And then we're going to come to that daily bottom wick. Gold dancing the V up. Yeah, it is, man. Yeah, it is. It's broken below it. Still holding below. I was waiting to see if we get back above to go long. Like I say, I take it with a pinch of salt at the minute, but it's just something I'm watching more. It gave what? It gave like 20 there. You have closed back below it. Still pushing down. It's on the 5 minute. Where's it being held on? Because the main trade is based off buys of the hourly. Oh, it's right at it on the hourly. I've never watched it on the hourly, but it is right at it on the hourly. 30 minute. Yeah, 30 minutes kind of hovering around it as well. 30 minutes not looking bad here on gold, to be fair. You're grabbing previous 30 minute lows. If you re-break the current 30 high, you may see gold push higher, which could be a buy area for us. So if we see in this current 30 tap into 237.6, you may see gold buys for like a 65 tick drive. If you can re-break current 30 highs, which I'll just show you guys here. I was just looking on the future screen. The real candles. Nice. That's how much we've perfected it. So if you can see this current 30 flip bullish, you may have buys with your stop loss just below the low and looking for this to continue pushing up. If it can't re-break the high, then it'll probably maybe close a little bit doji. I'll be surprised if it breaks this low right now. I think it'll probably chop in here for a little bit more, but I will take sells if you break this area, as long as I have a clear downside target, which I think you kind of do here. Anyone who's buying gold here, swing stop's probably down here. But yeah, if we can flip bullish in this current 30 in the next 11 minutes and break the highs, yeah, we could have a trade. We could have a trade. Because you're grabbing previous 30 lows, you got 1, 2, 3 equal highs. And we go back to the 5 minute here. Let's go back to the 5. 5 minutes still kind of holding some support, also holding some resistance. Kind of correcting down nicely. What's tilt saying? Top step tilt. 88% still long. It's pretty high. 12% short. Average long price 74.92. Where's their long price? 74.92. Full margin today. Oh, no, that's pretty close. 74.92. Yeah, about there. Yeah. Yeah. So to be fair, it is a very nice area to look for some longs. How long does it take? Cool. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I'm just gonna fill up my water, and then we'll see how this London opens. It'll be 2 seconds. Oh, looking like we're gonna break to the downside here on gold. We may have some sells, and remember, like I said, we have no bottom wick on this daily. Looking like we may break below. Look at that. If we can close below, I'm just looking to the left. If we can close below here, we could short into daily open. Remember, there's no bottom wick here. And let's mark on 4-hour lows as well. Current 4-hour lows here. 4 hours, 4-hour highs. So we've got 4-hour highs up here. We've got 4-hour lows down here. You know, if we're going to see this push up, could we do this first, maybe? Could be very nice, actually. Let's see. Oh, that's a decent, yeah, you got a pretty decent push in that 5 minute. Couldn't get back above that VWAP there, pushing lower. Interesting. So did you break the, yeah, so you obviously, like I said, if you re-break these 15 lows, you're going to keep pushing down. If your stop loss was originally below hourly lows, you took the breakout, your stop loss is there. You break that, you're going to keep pushing down, so you don't need to risk off any more than that. If we get the closure, you got 15 support here. If you get the closure below there, we could have some shorts. Not looking too bad there on Goldie. Not looking too bad. Yeah, look at that. Broke back below. Broke back below at 725, retested loads, held below it, and now you're pushing down 40 ticks. Wowee, look at that. Big push, big push. What is this range? 70, yeah. So remember, guys, these are big ranges as well. So, you know, don't go too crazy on size. I got the fresh new FTMO account on Friday as well. There's the fundy. Yeah, I got the fundy here. I need a one-time code. Let me just put on my code. I'll show you. I got the fresh fundy. I'm gonna have to start calling that, man. I have to give you credit for that. 6, 9. Fresh fundy. Profit splits on the 12th of May. I took one trade on it, and that was on Friday. I was taking the gold longs. Took about 760. It's the only trade I've taken on this new one. I was taking I was taking these buys on gold. This is the buys I was trying to get on Friday, but it kept manipulating me. You know, I gave it like almost 3 chances. I think I gave it 3 chances for these buys. And ended up playing out, but I actually got out like somewhere around here. You know, I was like, I can't watch this anymore. The 5 minute was being so volatile, and as I was like, all right, I'm done. Boom, gold to the moon. I think my buy-in was from like somewhere down here. It ended up being an absolute ridiculous trade. I was gonna execute it and just set some alerts, but I decided to watch it, and then yeah, ended up booming. So that was that first trade. Bought into the dump. Yeah, it was an aggressive push back down, man. Yeah, it was. I think there was some news that came out at the time. You re-grabbed 30 highs, closed aggressively bearish. Huge rejection here. Could have taken a buy on the break of this high, then just kept pushing lower. And ended up having a huge push down. I was very surprised to see it retrace that entire move. Like how much on Friday? How much more of a move was that? It was almost 1,000 ticks. That's crazy. That's fucking huge. Huge. Yeah, I was just trying to take the, you know, all I was doing was taking the buys up into these highs. Buying up into gold, needing to liquidate these highs and hopefully higher. end up pushing beautifully, and then bam, straight back down to here. I'll try keep trading this goes at break even, and I got plus 700. I tried to get another go again, and then took break even again. So I was like, I'm done. Can I be showed the all-time highs? Nah, I haven't, man. I haven't. What was it called? What the hell do you spell it? This? Yeah. Look at that. That's ridiculous. Fucking hell. You back on the FTMO? Nah, I have both, man. I have both. I got FTMO and I got the top step here as well. I got both. I use the FTMO more for like higher time frame moves, and I use the top step for like intraday scalping. Might be Bush. Yeah, it's fucking booming. Look at this. Everyone's trade crypto. They trade crypto. Look at this. Fucking look at that. It's insane. My Bush, yeah, it's insanely bullish. Yeah. They lost them so much better. Yeah, it's. I like it for. I don't like it for scalping because I can't deal with spreads when I'm scalping. But you know, if I'm taking a trade on like the 30 and higher, or even 15, you know, I do like it. But yeah, for actual scalping, top step only. For higher time frame moves, yeah, FTMO, man, yep. Swing trades, yeah, absolutely. Technical. Arsenal, yeah, Arsenal bullish other than the weekend, man. Yep. What's it called? What's it called? This? Oh, I spelled it wrong. This one? Oh yeah, I like this. So we got some support here. Yeah, we have to look at the high time. I'm bantering. Oh wow, when was that? 2011. No topic on gold. Yeah, let's have. We got this hourly close here. So where's my? I've lost all my charts. Where's all my charts gone here? So hourly on gold has just closed, respecting support. Let me have a look at this hourly. So you closed right on my support level. You have no top wick on this hourly. I'm going to adjust this a little bit. Like, I'm trying to look left. It's so messy in here. I can't even see what the hell's going on here. Like, probably maybe there is going to be your level. There. You've got resistance. I'm just looking. I'm not looking at what's going on. My eyes are looking here. I'm looking at resistance, broken, support, broke back below, straight back above. Resistance, fake out, resistance, support. Yeah. So you haven't really closed below any support here on gold. You know, if you're going to push up, you need to at least grab the previous hourly lows. And then you're going to go, yeah, this is going to be your little range here. Kind of, it's not easy in here. But, you know, if you start grabbing some of these hourly lows, which I think is also 4-hour lows, and holding above the support, maybe closing a bit doji. Yeah, you may see it push. 5 minutes. Still bearish. Morning, good morning, man. Good morning. I didn't really see any opportunity to short this back down after that push. Don't really see any places where you could have really sold that. You're probably going to have some people jumping in longs here on gold. You know, if you imagine you got a trend line like this, retails trade trend lines, they'll probably take longs from here, put their stop loss just below this low here. You'll probably see it gold push down more. So if you grab these lows and hold above the support, you've got no top wick on this hourly 15 or 30. You may retrace a little bit. It's kind of messy up here. I'm going to get rid of these lines. Pushing down pretty heavy here. Re-breaking previous 5 lows, still pushing. I hope this isn't just a straight push down to here, because that, that's my short target today, the open price, because you haven't, like I say, you haven't grabbed that, you haven't created that bottom wick on the daily or weekly, which is going to be created. We don't know it's going to be created. There's a very high chance that you're not going to close on the weekly with no bottom wick. What do you have down onto there? Yeah, you still got 80 ticks down there. You would also imagine now that you've just got close to here, you would also imagine anyone who's longer here, probably even trying to do this as well. Kind of see both sides. But, ideally today, I really want to short into this. I really want to short into this. Oh, wrong screen. Apologies. Here. This little low down here. You're going to have a trend line like this. 1, 2, 3. Come on, Goldie, give us something. We've got London Open here as well. London Open to start the week. How big is L so far? This one's been 12 ticks. What's gold doing? What are you up to, Goldie? What are you up to? It's a decent support level. I'm going to be taking longs here. Create a long... Yeah, definitely, man. Yeah, definitely could, yeah. Because I like it to overall come back up into these highs here. Maybe back up into these regions later on in the week. Yeah, definitely. Once you do get that, yeah, pull them back. I think makes sense, man. Definitely. So still holding this support here on gold. Holding it pretty nicely. What are you up? What, 20 ticks off that support? I won't be buying gold until you get back above, like, if you break this high, I could take some longs. But I won't take any longs to them, because once you break this high as well, break this high, come back up into this high, you still got 40. I won't take any longs until then, personally. You're already bouncing off that support. Five minute trying to push. It's 5. Are you going to hold this support on gold? Interesting level. Very interesting level. I mean, even if you get, yeah, to be fair, because we have upside target, even if you get maybe back above here, you know, I'd consider it. Buy limit at 50. Oh, right there. Oh no, that's crazy. Yeah, missed it by what? Less than a tick. What did it come to? It came to. Oh, you missed like by 0.025. That's where it tapped into. Your buy limit was at. Oh my god, that's crazy. Fuck, that's crazy, man. That's when computers get broken. That's when laptops get broken. Get skating this weekend. Nah, I didn't, man. Nah, I didn't. It's been too hot actually, and my mum's over at the minute from the UK, so we've just been enjoying time in the pool, in the sun, going for nice walks and restaurants. Having a nice bath, yeah, every day, man. Every day. I'm having one right now. I'm in one now. Bet she doesn't want to leave. Nah, she loves it here, man. Yeah, she loves it. But because now she's done the flight once, she realised it's actually not that bad. She'll probably come over every year, I reckon. Like, the flights actually aren't that bad. She didn't really get any jet lag or anything, really. Maybe tired for maybe like one day, if that. So yeah, she'll definitely probably come back. Come back like every year, which would be nice. But no, I haven't been for a skate in a few weeks, actually, man. Like 2-3 weeks or something. I'll definitely get one in soon. Planned lots of stuff last night for the trading retreat next month, in like 3 weeks actually. Planned some stuff last night, booked some stuff on the last night, which will be cool. I can't wait for that, man. It's gonna be good. We got that in like 3 weeks, I think, which is crazy. I have to start planning the next one. 5 minute just closed bullish here on gold. Closed back above the support. Let me see, look, 5 minute here. 5 minute, you know, I haven't grabbed these lows, but you have grabbed some lows and closed back above here, which is a pretty decent level. You know, it's not enough for me just to jump in longs yet, but I wouldn't be surprised to see this pull back up a little bit higher. What would you be risking? I see. Remember, guys, these stop losses are big. Like, even risking off these 5 minute lows, you know, that's like 50 ticks. If you usually trade like 5 contracts, trade like 2 to 1. Like, these are big stop losses. Don't trade normal size here. I'm not in any longs. Glad to be back. Had to get away for coming for a bit. Nice, man. Nice. Okay, I know we brought one first class. Nah, not yet, man. Not yet. The amount of money that would have costed, man, she could have flown here like 3 times. She wouldn't even accept it anyway. Have you made it to 7 figures net worth? Nah, not yet, man. Nah, not 7 figures. No, not yet, man. I don't really know what class is net worth, but no, not 7 figures, man. Not yet. One day, man. One day. One day we'll get there, man. Ross beat me to Yep, and just 3 digits on the back, please. Have you tried trading Oz 200? No, I haven't actually. I have watched it before. I've never actually taken a position on there, but I have looked at it plenty of times. Where is it? That's funny. No, I haven't traded it. It's a weird one. I don't know if it's one that I would like to intraday trade. I don't know if it moves very well. On an intraday, it looks kind of choppy. What time? Obviously, I assume it moves like what, 12:30 London time, 12:30, 6 p.m. 6 4 p.m. London time. Yeah, that's what I'd expect. But no, it usually moves towards London and US as well. So nah, I don't really see a need to trade it personally. It looks kind of choppy. Like all of this. Yeah, this looks horrible. You get chopped up in here all day long. Like, and that happens all the time. No, I don't really like the look of it personally. Doesn't look too nice to me. 5 minutes still pushing down here on gold. I know people who trade ASX stocks, but not the actual index as a whole. I don't know anyone who trades it. 5 minutes still pushing down here on Goldie. Still pushing down. Taking the break of the high. What time is it? 15 is going to close soon. How's the 15 looking here? Yeah, 15 still bearish. 15 still bearish. Won't be taking any longs yet. Yeah, it'd be nice. Yeah, it would be nice. Yeah, it definitely would be, man. Yeah, selling into the bottom wick would be very nice. I agree. It's such a, you know, we're coming into such this big level of support. The amount of people that will be trying to buy here will be huge. But if you start taking sales from here, you probably got a risk like, you know, up here, which is like 100 to make, you know, just about a 1-to-1. Yeah, it's a nice area. There's a very high chance you're going to come down to here. Very high chance. You're just going to find a good area of where it makes sense, you know. You need to break this little support. So, right, community, because I'm very humble, trade not aiming to show your profits and 7 figures. Trying to educate as maybe. Yeah, 100% Mario, 100% man. Showing profits doesn't ever do any benefit, man. We let the trades do the talking. We let the trades and the analysis do the talking, man. 100% man. If I share profits all the time, you know, which I did for a little bit, but I stopped because it just always attracts the wrong people. Here to teach people that actually want to learn properly through the way we break down the charts live, as opposed to show I made this much money, you know. Doesn't really do anyone any benefit. What's up, bro? What's going on, hat? Gold hasn't taken out the opening range yet. Quite disheartening. Sounds more like an opportunity than disheartening to me. Sounds like an opportunity to take some sales. You know, if you re-break this low, then yeah, you definitely could take it. You definitely could. Which we could, you know, we could do that actually. We break that low down into there. You got 60. That's amazing. Would I take this flip? Probably not. Does the hourly have a top wick? No, yeah, it does. Yeah. All right, guys, give me 2 seconds. What are we up to, Goldie? What are we up to? 30's looking like it's going to close respect and support. Could we take longs? We kind of got a valid stop loss now if you do take longs, because you don't want to break this low. If you break that low, you're going to push down much lower. So if you do look for longs up this support, you know, you're looking to target back up here. About 80. Your hard stop's around 47 though. Just like a 1 to 2, which is not bad, but I would have to take it at smaller size. Haven't grabbed any 4-hour lows yet either. So you're currently trapped in between the previous high and low. Although I do favor this today, let's come and grab these highs. We could easily bottom wick into here first before seeing this, and vice versa. You know, you could easily top wick into here and then push down. I think probably one of the safest things to do right now is wait for us to either grab these highs and take the sells, or grab these lows and take the buys. And nothing in between is kind of, you know, not the easiest. Not the easiest right now. The thing is with these ranges though, you can trade these ranges, because like even we did at this here. As soon as you grab some lows close bullish, you know, and you get some volume, you can take quick scalps as well. Because you know these ranges, although you know we're in a range, these ranges are actually pretty big. You know, it's like a 100 tick range. Like that's huge. You get in a good place on the right side of that, you know, you have a very good trade pretty quick. I just want an entry where we can get in a valid good stop loss. That was a lovely buy in Asia. That was a lovely buy. Is that the buy that some of you guys who did trade Asia, did you take advantage of this? That was beautiful. Retest, liquidity grab, retest again, push. That's a lovely, lovely push. How was last week? Last week was good, man. Last week was good. Last week, like here, that was last week. That last week was pretty good, man. Good volume. Friday was really difficult for me though. Friday was really difficult for me. I gave my trade so many chances to catch this big breakout. I just couldn't get it properly. 53,000 is 50k combined. I think we'll pass. Yeah, amazing, man. Yeah, that should be it done, man. That should be it done. Could be the first milestone in trading. Like as in what milestone should you give yourself? Like what should be your first like target? He just slapped me once it was done. I love Asia personally. Recently Asia's been amazing. I've been loving Asia recently. Advises rough amount before taking a pay on top step. It depends. Depends on what account size you're at, man. You know, if you're in a 50k account, you can pull out like $500 or something. Do it just for the sake of seeing something physical from trading, man. Yeah, but if you're on a 150k account, which is like, you know, the biggest account, you can build that up first. One percent more to 100k. Yeah, nice, Spence, good man. Take your time with it, man. 42 tick move. Which one? This one? This one? This was Asia today, man. This was Asia today. I got this 1 5-minute candle here. Here. Oh, wrong one. There we go. 5 minute. Check it on my Instagram story as well. So I got the, where is it? Asia. Here. So I got short around here into this level of liquidity, and these lows down here, and this 1 5-minute candle that I survived was 60 ticks. That was my Asia play, man. I took it for a total of around 40. You know, I scaled out some pretty quick because there was no top wick on the 30. Like this was the open of the 30. There was no top wick. I thought I was going to have to try and survive it, but it opened and just ripped down. But check out my story. I posted it on my story as well. I got that one on the personal. I didn't get that one on Tops FX. That one was on the go. I'm at 52,670. Nice. Up 4 days in the green. Amazing, man. Started challenge last Wednesday. Yeah, good work, man. Good consistency. That's good. 4 green days is great, man. Consistency. That's what you want. Consistency. I reckon it's 30 might close, respecting the support. You may have a morning star play. What percent should I aim on a 100k account? What do you mean? Week, month, day, year? I mean, you got a 100k account, you make 2-3% a month, you're living a pretty decent life. You have better months, you'll have losing months. But on an average, 2 to 3 to 4 is great. Consistent is amazing. Maybe you make fucking, you know, you make 10, 15, 20, 30% a year, you're over like 10 years, you're doing amazing. So if you can do it consistently, you know, not that much is very good because you can scale that as well. Should I make more than 53? Nah, that's that. I think that's all you need, man. Isn't that all you need? I think that's all you need. 369. Yeah, that's all you need. Oh, wrong one. Hit. No, man. Keep going on one. Yeah, I mean you only need 3,000 to pass, so yeah, you must have passed it, man, which is amazing. If you're up, where are you? You're up 53 and 61. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that should be done. Yeah, should be done, man. Passed. Which, if you are, good job, man. Amazing work. Took same trade. My logic was 3-minute time frame breakdown. Shoot start. Nice. We're almost right back to where we started in London. 30-minute close, not looking too bad here though, to be fair. This is looking quite nice. We just closed respecting this support, and we're closing bullish, holding the support. 5 minutes pushing up as well, coming to a little bit of an area here, and I would like to see it just close back above here because this is also a pretty ugly area. You get back above here though, your next level's up here. Get some great pre-London volume. I thought it was going to continue. After this here at 6:30, I thought, you know, London, we were just gonna fucking get some volume today. Straight back down. Yeah, I want to get caught up in here. Unless you get like a picture perfect bottom wick on the next 30, I would consider it. But this area is not it. Been a lot of help, man. Awesome to hear, man. Good work. Good work, man. Good job. Amazing work, man. Amazing. Now, once you do get funded, you know, trade the account consistently. Don't go for too crazy a size. You know, 1 to 2 trades a day. Keep your losses small. And you should be good, man. You should be good. Come on, gold, give us something. Oh, we're seeing too much here. You're closing. I was gonna say it's gonna close now. I don't want it to close. Close at least like bullish doji, not bearish doji though. Then close bearish doji, then I can't take a potential morning star. Let's see, 17 seconds here. 17 seconds here on Goldie. So if I'm very confident that you're going to see all of this ripped. I don't want to miss it, but it's not going to surprise me if I just keep messing around and then later on you just go boop. Do you trade XAF now? What's the PPL for the day? I can't see your question because the emoji's in the way. How do I move it? The PPL for the day? I'm taking one trade on it today. 220 P&L. Yeah, what today? Whoa, what does this do? Oh, cool. Yeah, today it's up 216.76 after these fees. I'm only trading one contract at a time on it. I'm not trading too big a size. Last time I got it, I was just trading the max size and holding trades too long. Now I'm just trading one contract, take out 20-ish ticks 2 to 3 times a week. And that's all I'm really doing with it, to be honest. Look, some losses. Some wins. Last time when I got my first Top Step account, because you're limited to the amount of size that you can trade, I was holding on to my trades too longer than I normally would, because I was looking at the P&L more. Then ended up getting stopped at break even on most of them. Whereas now, regardless if it's 1 contract, 10 contracts, if I get 20, I'll start to lock it in. When it comes to your swing trading, do you trade anything else besides gold? I don't now, but yeah, I used to. I used to trade. I used to watch. I don't watch any of this crap anymore, but I used to watch a lot of this. But to be honest, even when I'm swing trading now, it's still. I wouldn't say I actively swing trade that much. When I'm trading the FTMO on the high time frame, I'm still in and out. On the same day. I'm just more. I guess you could call what we're doing here scalping, and what I'm doing on the FTMO day trading. Like I'm, still buying here and like taking these like 100 pip moves. I'm not like holding them for like days on end. I don't really do that much anymore. The longest I'll hold a trade now these days is maybe like 1 to 2, max like 3. Well, come on, no, this is the here. Look, here. Express. Can you see my mouse? Yeah. These are all of these are on the Express. But yeah, when I was swing, like if you want to swing trade and you got time to watch you got time to watch other things. I would say definitely gold. Are you trading just futures or are you trading currencies? If you're trading currencies, watch something like GJ, Euro Yen. Pound US dollar, which you can trade in futures as well. I wouldn't trade too much more than that. In Top Step, can we partial our profit? Yeah, if you trade more than one contract, you can. Yep, absolutely. Absolutely. This is I'm just gonna draw this up to see what it would look like. I'm not gonna take this. Oh. I'm not gonna take this. I'm just gonna draw it up to see what it would look like and how it would play out. But this to me looks like a pretty nice play. Back up into here. The reason I'm not gonna take it is because I don't like this resistance right here. And I've had like 2 trades already today, and the 5-minute has just closed bearish. But as just a trade based up off the 30, I just want to see how this is. See how this would go. But I'm not in this. So I'm just a little forward test, a little test to play here. Five-minute close, nice and bullish there. To be fair, you could take a break of the 5 high, risk off the 5 low. So you could probably just have stops like. No, it's a 30-minute trade, so maybe you have like 15 stops. If you break this high here, you'll be good. Which if we do actually break that high there, I actually might take this for real. But I'm not in this right now. So it's just a little forward test. I don't like taking trades off the 30 and sitting here watching every candle move. It's not worth the mental strain. So that's the reason I'm just drawing this out. Like when I take the trades off the 30 on my FTMO, I'll literally take it and I'll have an alert down here and I'll have an alert up there, and I honestly won't watch it. Let the alerts tell me when it's time to watch it. I think on this Top Step account, I think I've had like, well, today won't have refreshed, but I think I've almost had like 9 green $200 days, which is, I think, is all you need to get the payout. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. It won't have added up today's yet, but let me just see. Yeah, I've had 9, including today. I've had 9 green days. Got to get above the buffer, yeah. Get above the buffer, yeah. 77%. Winning days, 77%. Days completed, 13. I'm not going to take anything out, but yeah. When's the scaling plan? The scaling plan is get over 1,500 and you can trade 3. Well, I can trade 2 now, but I don't bother. Still pushing down here on Goldie on the 5-minute. What time is that news today? There is news at, let's have a look. Forex Factory. News at 1:30 London time. Oh wait. Let me sign in. No, I can't get in. Whatever. 88% people still long here on gold. How's the hourly looking? Hourly's can close in like 20 minutes. Yeah, not looking too bad. You may play an hourly evening star instead. If it doesn't flip, yeah, if it doesn't flip bullish in this current hourly in the next 20 minutes, you may do the exact same thing off the next hourly. You know, close, reject support, grab the lows, close bullish, bottom wick. That's the trade you want. You want to be in this candle, not this one. You want to be on this one. So close bearish, grab the lows, holding support, see this close bullish, next bottom wick, and then you got to drive back up into these highs here. So these are our liquidity levels for today. Gold for me is a clear buy, even though it won't because of Iran-Israel wars. Yeah, I kind of think everyone's thinking that though. People kind of over that, to be honest. I don't think anything's new. I think I must have had about 5 people talk about that already today, which is never a good sign. But yeah, I mean, even, you know, we are still overall bullish anyway, absolutely. Following that trend would definitely make sense. Just be aware that you may do this first. Before he's back. Oh, was that the one? Oh yeah, it was. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, it was. Yeah, 100%. Said yeah. Come back for the closures, man. Definitely. When you're in these ranges, yeah, 100%, man. Like when I'm not watching this, you know, live here with you guys. Like for instance, right now, I would just come back at the next 15 or 30 close and see if you've broken out, and don't watch it until then. You know, if I look at my phone and it's like, you know, 8:41, well, like, there's no point in checking the charts now. I may as well just wait for 8:45 and then check it. 100%, man. That's going to be the best thing for you. Got to move on Friday. Been in? Nah, I didn't, unfortunately. I was trying to take the longs on Friday. I was trying to get the buys from here up into these areas, but I kind of called it a day around here. This is already midnight for me, and he had a massive sell-off, which was huge. It was a huge. I don't think I would have called it, but it was a huge sell-off. Massive sell-off. But no, I didn't catch him. I didn't stay. I wanted the longs just up into here. That was gonna be my little buy for the day, and I gave it a few chances. To be fair, I caught a little bit of it. I caught 24 of it, and that was it. But I think I was, you know, in from somewhere like around here, and it got me so many times, and it ended up ripping like 100. Yeah, nice. 24.29. Yeah, nice, man. Nice. 24.29. Yeah, beautiful. As you grab previous highs. Kind of want to know sell-off reason if you know of it. Of this? Yeah, I found it. It was on. Let me see if I can find it again. It was on. It came up on Forex Factory. I can't remember where it was now. Yeah, there was news behind it on Friday. I can't remember what it was. Was it something to do with the Fed? Where was it? What day was it? The 12th of April. No, I can't remember what it was, but yeah, there was some news behind it. Yeah, 95 to 30, yeah, it's crazy. Crazy. So I'm like, I just finished work. That's all good. You've not missed too much. We're looking like we're going to have some good volume. We kind of got stuck in some ranges on Goldie. We're not in anything at the minute. Just got this drawn up, but we're not in anything just yet. Not really liking the look of it. I'm kind of trying to see if we can maybe get back down here. Crypto, yeah, Fed speech, yeah, there you go, yeah. Fed to what it was. Yeah, crypto going down, yeah, crypto going down nicely. Crypto going down very nicely. I'm waiting for XRP to go low before buying some more. Yeah, crypto had some amazing drops on the weekend. Amazing drops. I'm gonna wait for XRP to get back down to these areas and potentially even lower. Retail sales 130. Yeah, some big news today, man. Yep, big news today. 5 minute back down here on gold. 15 back down here. Not sure how long we can watch this for, guys. You can follow along with that trade if you want to, but it'd probably be managing there anyway. I don't see anything here. I think we may as well set some alerts. That 15's just closed. 15's just closed. Bearish, closing respecting support. Bullish, found some sort of resistance, and then back bearish. So are we going to get a trade in the next 15? Very unlikely. So let's find some places to set some alerts instead. For me, here on gold, well, I don't even need to set an alert. I'm gonna watch this for the close, see if we break back below. But I would consider some sells if you re-break these lows here to sell this back down into these regions. If you break that, you know, there's a high chance you keep pushing down. If you break this 30-minute high, then that could also give some longs towards the hourly close. So I'm gonna set an alert there and there, and anything in between, I'm not even gonna watch this now. 15 is just chopping. I'm going to have to wait for a fit. Even if my alerts go off, I have to see the 15 close back above here. I'll take some longs, break below here, and we could take some shorts. So yeah, Zoom guys, I'll let you guys go. We're chopping in this range. Set these alerts. These are the overall liquidity levels, and we'll wait for these to go off and just let it do its thing for now. No point watching this for now. And yeah, be active, you guys in Zoom. Closer to the New York session when we'll have that news. All right. Enjoy, guys. I'll talk to you guys in Discord. See you soon. See you guys. Bye-bye. See if you know what. See you there, man. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. All right, YouTube guys. I'm going to set my alerts here. The 15's just kind of going sideways. It's unlikely we're going to get traded in the next 15 minutes, so we may as well just set the alerts and wait for them to go off and take a step back for the charts. You guys have my levels. You got my alerts. When they do go off, amazing. We'll fire it back up, see if we can get some trades. If not, I'll see you guys again same time tomorrow, 7 till 9 AM London time. I'll see you there. Peace.